So today I want to walk you through how to change your password on your Google account. Pretty easy process here. I just always start by going to google.com and then hitting these dots, these apps selector thing here, and then open up the account one. And then inside of the account, on this left hand side, you'll have security. And then inside of security, you will have your password here. So you can see this was last changed November 1st, 2024. So I will select this, and we have to confirm it's us. So we're going to hit continue, and then we can start putting in our new password. I'm not going to change my password because I will forget it, but that's how you're going to change your Google password here on the desktop experience. So I hope this helps. If it does, consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.